Hi, I'm Sarah Kwan of the Vancouver Collective Group at eXp Realty, and today I'm going to be touring Bosa's latest masterpiece, 1515. Known all over the world for his previous designs, it is extremely exciting that this will be Ole's first project in Canada. It's Ole's first project where he has designed both the interior and exterior, with the majority of the finishings imported from Italy. Welcome to your seamlessly integrated designer kitchen featuring an abundance of oak and stone with high-end appliances by Miele and fixtures by Doornbracht. So one thing I love about this kitchen is it's so thoughtfully designed. You have LED lighting in here and built-ins, so everything has a space in your kitchen. And over here we have your spa-inspired bathroom. Encased in this beautiful terrazzo with integrated heated floors, sinks cut from a single piece of stone, and rain sky showers in select homes, every detail has been curated to maximize your experience. One of the most interesting features of these homes is the Bang & Olufsen custom app that controls your home throughout and even features hotel-like amenities including house cleaning, car detailing, and even personal training. Select homes feature custom built-in speakers by Bang & Olufsen for an integrated home audio experience. And with these support beams in the living space, Ole wanted to harness the structural design and bring it into the home, incorporated with other natural design elements. The connector wall featured in select unit beautifully reflects the exterior cladding, combining the best of minimalism and practicality. These homes have a selection of 3 beautiful color schemes, including natural, minimal, and white. 1515 stands 42 stories high with 202 units and 18 exclusive observatory homes. The 29th floor Sky Lounge is for the exclusive use of its private residences to enjoy entertainment with views and a private dining experience. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 1515 by Bosa. To be a part of this masterful project and iconic building for years to come, let's connect.